Okay, so we will learn the meaning and different types of assets. An asset is a resource or property having a monetary or economic value possessed by an individual or entity which is capable of producing some future economic benefit. See, whatever we possess, say for example, we are possessing a machinery, and from that machinery I'm producing some kind of products, and after a month or two when I sell those products I'm getting money out of it. So basically that machinery is an asset for me. So it's simply that. So that's the meaning of an asset. Now when I talk about classification of assets, so now an asset is classified into various types. Like now they are classified on the basis of convertibility. Some are current assets, some are fixed assets. Fixed assets are something which are there for a longer period of time, whereas current assets are just temporary assets. When we talk about physical existence, some are tangible assets that are visible, some are intangible assets, we cannot see them. Even still they exist in the business. Now when I talk about usage, some are operating assets, some are non-operating assets. Now understanding total assets and net assets. When I say total assets, it includes both things. The first thing is the total liabilities when you add the owner's equity. When you add the owner's equity to the total liabilities, you get the total assets. And when we want the net assets, we have to deduct. What we have to deduct? We have to deduct the total assets out of the total liabilities out of total assets. Now we had seen current assets and fixed assets. Now basically what are they? Let's have a look at it. So when I say current assets are like cash, accounts receivables. Like cash is temporary in the business. Today I'm having more cash, tomorrow I'm having less cash. Accounts receivable, that is debtors, my customers, they are my current assets. Inventory means the stock that I'm holding, even that is my current asset. Short term investments, I've invested somewhere for a very short period of time, that's my current asset. And then prepaid expenses, if somewhere you have paid it, prepayments you have paid, even that is a current asset. When I talk about fixed assets, the ones which stay with us for a longer period of time, like when you're buying a car for your business, or you're buying a truck for a business, it stays in the business for a longer period of time, so that's fixed asset. Land, once you have purchased it, it stays with us for years and years, so again it's a fixed asset. When we talk about furniture, we buy furniture once and after many years again we are buying furniture for the business, so it's a fixed asset. Buildings, obviously it's a fixed asset, and machinery, as I said, is a fixed asset. So today we have learned what are assets, what is current assets, what is fixed assets, what are the various classifications of assets. So please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.